This video will show you how to insert and operate your new humidifier. It can be used on the following machines: an AirSense S10, a Loomis 100, a Loomis 150, and the AirCurve 10. To open your humidifier, unclip the side, like so, and open the door. For safe use, use bottled water or boil the kettle, let it cool down and use this. Please use water that has been filtered. Do not use water from the tap as it is unfiltered and it may be unsafe. Please do not fill it higher than this maximum line. To insert your humidifier, take off the end plate and insert your humidifier. Be careful not to spill any water. Now you need to adjust your settings. Go into My Options, come down to Humidity Level and click the button. This wheel here adjusts the settings. If it is set to low, turn it up. And the same the other way. If the settings are too high, just simply turn it down. When you have the desired setting, click the button and it is set for you. To come out of these settings, press the Home button. After every use, the humidifier should be taken out and emptied. Place the end piece back inside the machine to stop any dust from getting inside. Make sure it is empty, clean and dry, ready for the next night's use.